Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to not allow location services on your Snapchat account. So I have two ways for you here. Basically, open your Snapchat first. This should be your Snapchat account, right? And then basically on this part of the Snapchat, you're going to see a settings icon right there, right? Click on it, and actually, you're going to see Snapchat wants to your location. So on this part, just click don't allow. Once you click on don't allow, you're safe to go. Now for example, you already allowed Snapchat to use your location. Click on it again and then, wait for it, I'm gonna do it right here while using the app right there. Go back to the application. And once I click on that settings, I'm gonna have ghost mode enabled. So once I have ghost mode enabled, your friends can see your last previous location. That's how you use ghost mode. Now, I can also click on this one for until I turned off to hide my live location. That's two options. Now, an additional option for you guys is head to the settings right there. Just search Snapchat over to the search bar and the location option, click on never. This is the best option, just remove the application authorization for location, okay? And then that's how you hide your location on Snapchat. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.